Okay, we should be good. Good evening, everyone. Sorry, I'm late. Oh, why so loud? Where is my monitor? Let's find this. So, as you can see, some of you, because Kick and Troll, they don't have Team Hospital category, so you got a game dev category. YouTube and Twitch are fine. I decided to do it in the Team Hospital category because it's not straight up game dev. It's contributing to game dev. I didn't invent this game, nor I started this open source fork. But we will try and contribute to it because they asked nicely. At least one person. So, last time the finish of the stream, I set up code so it builds at least because it uses a make system which I'm not used to. So it was a little bit annoying. But in general, make system is really good. I should finally investigate it and learn how to work with it. So, anything interesting in the Discord of Core 6? Too much, okay. Let's try. First of all, let me open the repo. My camera close the Solution Explorer, which you don't need. So we should be good. There is a main repo for Core 6. There is a bunch of issues and projects. And last time I was looking at doop. I don't remember which one. Vomit waves. So they got. Wait a minute. Okay. They got disasters with boiler, but not with a vomit wave. So that's what I wanted to tackle. last time I found the file and I forgot where it was. There is only C files. Oh my god, where is everything else? So boiler. Bug. Hard to keep. This is not implemented. Yep. More straightforward and nothing. Here I think there was a I think merge rework boiler disaster. File changed. Oh my god. I'll have to deal with this. Radiator heat. Days until next disaster. And I think spoiler. Oh my god. Skip. Where is this? It's this file, Hospital Lua. Come on. So, Corsic, Lua, Hospital Lua. It's this file. Where is it? Here? Show all files. Pom pom pom. Come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's a build dev. I need this. And where is it? Corsic Lua. Source. Corsic tier. I don't need this. So this is here, and the builds are here. Really interesting how it works. So, oh my god, what is the structure of this project? CMake makes from all of this the build things, and then I need to build it here. Oh my, so I can work from here. Okay, let's open this. And here is our file with our thing. And I again forgot to make it bigger. So 125, yeah, it should be better for you. And now we can finally do stuff. Shut up. Pooh. So it happens on end day. Check disaster for player console. Oh my. It's called from here. And day. Did I find this function myself or not? Quick stager. Is paused. So I thought I found something like function on day end and it was in a different place. But okay, we will work with their code. So can I find references? Apparently no. So on the end day, pay this self-loan, self-interest rate by 365. Okay. Account loan interest, pay this. Research cost. Show progress screen warning. Math random. Used in progress report to limit warnings. Interesting what it shows. It's like when you open the on the level. Okay. Overdraft, receptionist count. I would have separated this into the function. Stuff in pair, sell stuff. Class is receptionist, count +1. X более. Borrow always need work, especially if broken. Final references. This. Boiler broke down and work is done to get it fixed. Heat wars. If it broke, then not broken, done. Okay, so if it's not broken, there's nothing to do. It's basically radiator down, radiator up. So it basically checks this if there's a disaster. Repair the boiler, more in demand, speed up repair, see also GitHub 190. Okay, that's exactly the logic. Oh, am I good? Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Do we have a disaster? Disaster less or equal to 0, then disaster days say of disaster free days 300 to 50, 150. Decides how many days the hospital functions without specification. Return integer number of disaster free days in hospital. Original does not use random. See GitHub 190. Disaster free days. Get difficulty. Of random. As I know, yeah, it's hard-coded value in the config per difficulty. Shush. Hospital. Levels. That's what I need. Yes, I trust. Salary, holiday, disaster. 300 time before disaster. Easy. Full. 100. And hard. 150. Did I change this? Why on the hard it's less frequent than on the medium? So it's like 300 for easy, 100 for medium, 150 to hard. What? Days from disaster. So this set to 0. And this. And they all basically in the same function. Did data type? No. Pointer. Host data array. Host data. Hospital. Okay. Hospital data. Disaster. Day from disaster. Need to find where it's set from the config. And I don't see it. That's again the same. Oh, don't tell me it's set up for the array of hospitals, not per hospital. It will be annoying to check. Okay, we are deviating. We will not touch this for now, at least. I will verify this later. My goal for today is to make the logic for the vomit waves and try and push it into the repo and watch what they tell me. Refs. Let's go back. To do set to 3 until the vomit wave is implemented. Math random returns float integer. So not included. So 1 3 returns 1 2. No, included. 1 2 and 3. 1 they're using for skipping. So 2 and 3 it's boiler. So it must be 4. PowerShell doesn't want to work. Okay. PowerShell git status. Okay. If to max heat, else if min heat, else if disaster type 4, then self okay, vomit wave wave. Boiler breakdown, where are you? Here. X boiler. So here, function, hospital, wait, vomit wave. Okay, so and I misspelled it. if I can find it anymore. Because I wrote W. Okay, now we are cooking. Let's now see. If this less than this, they are doing it a little bit differently, but the logic the same. They count to 0. Just I will need to change a lot to make it like in the original game, but it doesn't make sense. Just in game, there is a config value in the file. It's set to the variable and it's not touched. But on the hospital itself, yeah, there is a global, but inside the hospital you got a value, which is count up, not down, like they did. And when this hospital value is greater than global, which got from the config file, then it triggers a disaster. They are doing this with the opposite. They don't use the global variable. They just store this value from the config, which is hard-coded somewhere here. Depending on the difficulty. Boom, boom, boom. And they count down until it gets to the 0. Basically, they make it like here. No, there is a compare. Sometimes it's different. Yeah, compare. It's yeah. Let me verify this. Just how assembly. What the hell is this? Yeah, fun. Compare instruction, it's the subtraction as far as I remember. Compares to... Oh my god. Cheat engine wiki. There was a normal explanation. Compare. First with second operator sets flags. I don't explain this, I think. Parent, yeah, well, there it is. The comparison is performed by subtracting the second operand from the first. So basically, what this does is value from the hospital minus value from the global, and we are getting value. Basically, it should be less than 0 or equal to 0. And that's exactly what happens here, but written a little bit different, and we will not play around with it. It doesn't make sense. So, if random seed disaster type is randomized, if equal 1, if equal 2, if not equal 3, and this is basically everything else. That's what is strange for me. So game decides which disaster to start by using this random seed with some bitwise operations, and the thing is, in their code, they set disaster type 1 for skipping the disaster. Nothing happens. But here, I don't remember which exactly number can be rolled with this. I can check it by debugging again. But if I look at this, if we get 1, it will fall here and return. If it get 2, it will fall here and return, either through this, either through this. And so this will, okay, let's go back. If this satisfied, it will start radiator broke down and heat is 0, I think, and it returns. If it will not satisfy this, it will return through here with no disaster. If it falls here and satisfies this, it will again break the radiator, but to the top. It will hit up and return. If it not satisfies, it sets disaster to 0 and return. If it's not equal 3, it will go away. So values 1, 2 will go through here. If it's a 0, for example, it will fall here. If it's 4 or anything else, or anything else not 3 will fall through here. So I need to check this random, because if it can roll 0 or 4, we will actually not satisfy any of this and this. So there is a possibility that something like that will work. But I need to check this random. But okay, that will be next step. For now, let's think that we got 3, and we will fall here. it will mean that we need to check liter and decide, will we start or not the vomit wave. So disaster 4, vomit wave. We basically here. Let's go to our function. Vomit wave. What the hell is this? First, what we need to check. If we got enough liter. How can we do this? We can first of all, is there the liter thing? What the hell is this? Hospital littered. Oh, okay, let's see. Get campaign data. So hospital littered. But where is this set up? Come on. Patient. If not self-hospital, then it just sets if there is any liter present. Apparently. Cold each time the patient moves to a new tile. Oh my god. If not self, liter countdown. If arrived at the first side of the hospital, give patient some liter. Noise. Else if self-hospital and not self going to die and not self going home, liter countdown -1. So there is a countdown until he drops the liter. Okay, is the patient about to drop some liter? Self liter countdown equals 0, then if x and not self get room, if it's not in the room apparently, and not in the object, buildable and in hospital, find object near, bin, drop some liter. Trash, math, random, object, liter set, liter type. Give advice, liter. So I can, first of all, can I, yeah, vomit wave. If it will be self, apparently. Self. self empty block. If if there's any style codes about if else, became come here. Just should I if true or if false? Coding convention. Oh yeah, I need to read this to know. Liter bomb, liter. And what is this? Idle animation, comment, trash can. Ultra scan. Oh yeah, I said it. Trash can. No, it's bin apparently. Yeah, bin. Okay. Coding conventions, Lua, indentation, line left, splitting, globals, alias, class, variable, function naming. First of all, should use camel case. Excuse me? Oh my god, I am again with this. Global is uppercase, local, and methods lowercase. Yes, okay. Function parameters should use snake case in lowercase. Private method name should start with an underscore. How I decide which is private or not here? A vomit wave. I think it will be local because I will not call it anywhere else. On they call boiler breakdown from another thing. Okay, let's do like that. Okay. So hospital. You got what? Inline if. Okay, this is this. I need to see there's the classes. That's a user topic. I suppose there's nothing. I need to look here. List, directory, room, sound, video, localization, console, objects, implementing, persistence. What is this? How persistence save load works. Okay. To understand some of design decision in the persistent logic. Allow the game to be saved to a file and then later reloaded from said file. Work with as many major implementations of Lua as possible. Platform independent format. Forward backward compatible between revisions. Take a snapshot of Lua universe. Oh my god. Uh, the most important thing to ensure that any function which might get referenced by a game object are persistable. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. So we need to think that everything can be nil. If the hospital class didn't have a reputation field and the save was taken, then in some new version of the code, the reputation field got initialized in the hospital constructor and used throughout the code, and then said save was loaded. Uh, I hope we will not do this. Version numbers. When the API changes, number should be incremented. Where is this thing? Upload. Save game version. Interesting. Will it break save if I will add this? Okay, let's think about it later. Okay. What about ifs again? Code conventions. Nothing about ifs. Variable naming. It's a C. Already passed. Foundation. Class variable naming, function naming. Should be declared local. Okay. Wait. And we again back here. So we got class hospital, type hospital, local, global, hospital. You got world, level config, level, balance, and stuff. Just maybe there is already a function for checking litter. Balance, interest, reputation, level config, okay. Name or player, balance, loan, value, in demand, epidemic, future epidemic, overdraft, difficulty. Heating. Boiler repair count. Okay. Tile object count. Ouch. General, no. Liter, please. Okay. Has impressive reputation. Please VIP. Thank you. Red holes, open transaction. Disease. Insurance. Is room discovered after load? Oh my god. It's backward compatibility with the saves. Oh, okay. Count patience. Purchase plot. Get player index. Multiplayer. Get heliport is in hospital. Daily update. And now and if and just end. Is player stuff find get debug patient. What? Spend, receive, sell soda, get treatment, receive, pay. Humanoid death. Count reception, count plants. Little bit strange, but okay. Basically, it's a wrapper. Okay. Tile object count. Can I, or is there a function for a liter? Exactly like that. It's what I'm trying to find. Count liter. No, I don't see. Count general object. Where is it? Get the number of general objects in the hospital. General. Okay. Remove, add, modify, remove, find, get task object, compute price, and I don't see this. Let's see what we got here. Lua check. Load game. Game classes, liter, okay. Change the log, I don't need. Meta info, no. Low amount, high amount. liter should have layer 0. No. That's mine. Get liter fraction. What is this? Daily update of red holes. Demand task. New object liter. Remove all liter. Liter object. Get object. From given tile. Okay. Is cleanable. Is ID liter. Okay. Liter was not properly removed from the world. Get object. Have dialog. Liter, any liter. Where's the liter class? Entities. Liter. So liter, any liter. What is any liter? There it is. Why I don't see it here? Because I'm blind. Okay. Okay. Strange. Why it even exists? But okay. Liter countdown again. So I just need to write this function to find objects. Things will make you unhappy. Then it's explanation. So P action. That's a separate class. Floor. Okay. It's localization. We don't need this. Regional string. Okay. Liter. Okay, this I already saw, and it's just a class. We don't need this. Plant Lua map. And there is this get liter fraction, yep. Which is actually this. And this is the C code. Okay. Oh my. Compute the fraction of corridor tiles with liter of the parcel owned by the given player. At like how many percent of your corridors is littered? Uh, Index by 200. But this is the state. What the? Object type, please count. Fraction. Okay. We don't need this. So I will need to create a simple function for this apparently. How it was here. Count this. Before general, we add get the number of liter, turn in number of liter. The plural form of liter. Is there any? Okay, liter. Count liter. Be fine. I will not touch this. If it's not litered and or self, for example, there is a count plans. Count plans is not used. Okay. Self. There is count patient self. Is there the stupid difference between dot and the colon in the Lua? I always forget how properly use it. Greater than lower than 11. Lua I should use or. So if it's not litered, I have no point to check if there's any liter. So if it's not, and define what? Hospital litered. If it's not, we will immediately get out. If it was litered, we will count this. If it's less than 11, we will just do nothing. Who the hell is that? Go. Thank you. Vomit wave. Bum, 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 bum. So this is called only if it's less than 0. Let's see breakdown. It should if not opened, we also can check. Oh my god, sorry. Do you actually need to write the comments like that? That is my freaking vomit wave. Sort by name. Oh. That's nicer. Vomit wave. So, first of all, if not opened, actually, why not move this check into the front of everything? On end day. Or maybe it's this is that. Check if it's time for an earthquake. Function hospital. World on tick. Just before all of this, we can make this check. No, it's okay. Let's do it like that for now. There is no one to vomit. Hospital is closed. If will not start without any litter. Or if it's convenient to place an if statement inside an expression, then the following idiom can be used. I don't know, that just okay. Check if there is enough litter. Next thing. So if there is none, we are getting out. Like that. Just which part of the code responsible of getting back the disaster days? This until next disaster. On the end day, how many days a hospital function within specification? Disaster free day. There's the back button here. Disasterless day. So if it's below 0, it immediately restores it back. Okay. I'm blind, sorry. After all of this, num of radiators. It's on end day, okay. This should be separate function. It will be easier to read. So we are getting vomit wave. We passed all the checks. It's open. It's got liter. It got enough liter. Count liter less than 11. And this is 11 or more. Then to start this thing, we need to again, disaster type. How it's on end day. Disaster type. Oh, it's a local. Huh? We're counting radiators. Nordier says don't bother to break the boiler. Нам radiator. Нам handyman. La la la, save, boiler repair, cost count. Okay. It's how many days basically disaster will last. Where's the repairing stuff? We are setting heat vars, boiler repair count. Fix boiler. Oh my god. So it's here. Oh my god. What the hell? Thing broke. Oh my god. I don't see any checks. Is there's any running disaster? How I understand the logic of original game, there can be only one disaster at a time. That's why this disaster type is saved in the hospital data. So each time game checks this thing, it can't get here to case 0. So if it's not like a big problem because any disaster will not last longer than the days from like global disaster launch available, unless you will set it manually lower enough. But like in the hardest, it's 100 day apparently. But here the longest one is 30 days. So even if you will not do anything, they will not last long enough to trigger this problem. But I don't like to rely on this. But to change this, I will have to change a lot of their code. First of all, we need to save the state of a disaster type. Just if we got this set field, it sets that they vomit. Then we are setting how long. And we are setting this to the hospital. Here we are checking and doing -1. And then giving everyone again the value, so they vomit again. But it will not last indefinitely, even if you will do nothing, because this thing will chip it one by one. So there was, I think, someone commented. Vomit array 510 days reduced twice speed. However, in the original, if more liter is dropped, then it goes above 10 tile, new vomit wave will start. I don't see this in the code. It will decrement at least 1 day. This thing will work. Interesting. Maybe I'm reading this wrong. Because I thought that if you will not set field each time, it will just be overwritten by the game itself. Like, not wave will start again. Wave will eventually end. But they will vomit non-stop. And you will never go here. So make it 2 times a day. And if you will do really bad, you can just not be able to clean your hospital before the new check for the disaster type comes. Set field. Factor pop-up. Get disaster length. So now let's for now focus on this thing. How we can set the vomit limit to the patients. Or at least let me check. How to set the days. Vomit wave. Where are you? Vomit wave. So I will just look at this. They got hit wars, which basically is the self-hitting. Where is this? Self heating system. Tile object count. Extinguisher the airplane receiving bench general. Wait a minute. Yep. I will not be able to do this. There is no such thing in title object count. But why? Title object. Let's finish this first. Self. Oh my, it's save data. Add tile object. So I will have to do this. Wait recursion apply the remaining change as if the game was started from version 1. Boiler can break. Oh my. Why create the alias? Oh my. Wait, this is here. Ah! Interesting. Detail object count for adding an object. It's when we are adding something. If object category, then local current count increment. Okay. That's basically what this calls. Lua. Not objects. USTU. What? Where is this file? Version Aplua. There is API version 705. 241, I suppose. Basically, need here 241. Liter. Assume this will work. Then we got heating variables. Save radiator heat, boiler repair, heating broke, self mid-wave. Mid-wave days count. First of all, wave 0. For now, or to make it expandable. Int days rest void wave so self vomit wave equal math random 510. And we need to make a doctor appear. Advise boiler breakdown. Warn the player. Of the vomit wave. Advise and oh my god. Advise my god, not wrong one. Vomit wave, sorry. Oh, wait a minute, they didn't. What? There is no actual function underneath. Come on. What am I doing? And there is no actual argument even. So an answer doesn't work for now. I thought he was working fine. What's missing? Multiplayer, AI, level skip, rats, win, newspaper, graphic don't have patient, some object, glitch. Single player, all disease, all management, music, cheats, custom level. So there is no guy appearing yet. But there was an announcer class. There it is. Announcement, push, pop is empty. Or it's announcer, the receptionist, not the guy. Because there is a sound announcement and a text. And apparently... La la la. Announcement priority. Queue based on priority. Collection of announcement with key semantics. Self count. Is empty. Check for duplicates. Name to play, it's audio. Audible messages. Oh, announcement. Okay. It's a queue, it's announcer itself. Ta-da-da-da. Duplicate announcement. Yeah, there is a receptionist. Oh, so there is no guy. Okay, let's for now make also customers like that. Mm. Wait a minute. Is there even a audible announce? I think yes. As far as I remember. Hospital. Vomit wave announce. Mm. I think there was an audio file. Team hospital announcements. Shish. There's usually a list, no? That's a shit. I think I can just find the actual list of patient staff, another surgeon. Ah, stop it! I wanna click this link. Finally. Emergency. Epidemic. Ah. I actually don't remember. Is he saying anything about vomit wave? The doctor shows up on the bottom of a screen, but I don't remember about her. I can try and manipulate the game into this. This thing level 12. No, I don't wanna. Shit. I forgot. I need to use the Xvender for that. All my screens. No, go away. That's better. There it is. Empty. Yep, I don't have any. Yes. Come on. Don't you dare to glitch. Yes, son of a... I don't remember why it happened. And there's also no games. Should I forgot why it's glitching sometimes like that? Those box errors. Those box. Let's try. Usually those version. My god, but it's not so easy to trigger this in the DOS. Where is my sound? One. Are we good? And where is the sound? Strange. No sound at all. Huh. Maybe can just find someone playing this. Vim Hospital. Vomit Wave. Maybe he will show me. Yes, go. To clean. Oh, there it is, I think.
Not seen. Oh my word, it's a bit messy around here. Have we alleviated the queuing on this? I don't think so. People are not very happy around here. They're not very happy at all. Oh dear. Oh no, people are being sick all over. Every handyman that I can find. Where are all my handymen? People are going to the loo all over the place. People are being ill all over the place. Oh dear. I don't care if they're a liability or they're not very good. It's getting too bad around here.
No,
Needed to sort that out.
that's not a vomit wave.
Let's try and get rid of the vomit wave that's going on. Clean up that vomit. Don't walk past that. Go. You, just clean stuff up. Do more cleaning. Oh my word. Well, we've cleared... Nah, not seen... Oh dear, this is terrible. Well, there's no... The door over here. People should put in there, which probably was there.
Don't see. With virus, maybe he
Hello.
was...
Be good for the. It's here, which.
Oh, there it is. That looks like it.
Set. So. Oh, outrageous. Some scene. There's a thumbnail. 18 in the. We're gonna have. Well, now we have. Hope this is absolutely out. I've never seen it. Possibly very.
I don't remember. Oh, my video. Maybe I got it in my video. When boiler in and heating up your hospital, cooling down your hospital,
We apologise for the extreme cold.
and when everyone starts to vomit all over the place.
Vomit warning, mind your feet.
Yeah, there is a announcement. Mind your feet. So yeah, sometimes it's easier to look at my old videos where I played around with it. But okay. The hell? Okay, back to this. So yeah, we will announce vomit waiver. Or it's not advised, but announce. Just, I don't know how this works for them. Just announce it's where receptionist talk. And advise it's doctor in the bottom of the screen. And they both should be there. Because this one pop-up text is about this doctor, not about announcement. That's advice. Next thing we need is to make everyone vomit. Now, for this, we need to look at the patience, I suppose. Entities, humanoid, patient. So, patient. Class, type, ouch. It's a constructor, I suppose. Our cursor. Patient should knock on doors. Treatment history. Going home. Liter countdown is set. Number of tasks to walk before attempting to drop liter. Has fallen. Has vomited. Okay, pay amount, dead, set to die, going to die, reserved for, vaccinated. Redirecting. Health history, okay. Calculate nausea. Assess patients' exposure to vomit and calculate their level of nausea. Nausea level is based on health and the proximity to vomit is used as a multiplier. Initial vomit multiplier. Initial chance of vomiting. Proximity nausea. Oh my god. Let's see anything else. Check if cure is still queuing. Oh, get soda bubble, health, object, wait, access, agrees to pay, check watch, cure respawn, die, falling, link announcement, distortion, remove, set. Tap food. Vomit. Only vomit under this condition. Maybe I should add a vomit for patients in queue too. Oh, a fully empty tile, current and self is limited to 0. Ooh. It's field type 0. Vomit level. Global limit plus 10. And where is the vomit level? This is this. This is what? Where is it? Vomit level. There it is. The same thing. Okay. These two. It's again random, some kinda. And this also. We can try, of course, just call the patient vomit for everyone. Tick day. Nausea level math random less than nausea level plus 0.5. Just like game manipulates nausea level. How I understand, you're not supposed to manipulate it manually. It's here. Huh? Self is vomited 0. Nausea. Neutral proximity get attribute health. So yeah, it's not. Patient exposure to vomit. That's how I see it here. it's not triggering like an action of vomiting. It sets the level, nausea level, vomit level, whatever you call it, to the above limit of 10. How it's used to calculate this thing? This is hospital object. Hospital object. Find use of. Sometimes it's accessed indirectly and Hydra cannot find it like that. And uses starting address, an array of objects to access some things. And it's not so easy to trace. Data type. What's object array? That's an array of objects. Should understand. Okay, we can try. And just trigger everyone to vomit. But I will have to iterate over everyone in the hospital. Basically, they do this here. They are iterating from start of the array of objects until the end. They're checking if it's a patient and do their thing. Trigger vomit wave. List of patients. Is this a part of hospital itself? Tile object, number of visitors, statistics, staff, patients. So self patients. Right click commendable patients for testing. Count the number of patients in hospital. Only count patients that are in the hospital. Mm-hmm. That's handy. Count number of sitting and standing. Hit heliport. Tick. Create an emergency. Resolve emergency. Oh. Emergency patients are separate array? No, not supposed to. Determine if contagious. La, la, la. Debug patient. Add patient. Gates to hell. Nice. In the hospital. Get average patient attribute. Get average of an attribute of all patients in the hospital. It basically returns a value. Okay. Notify on stuff changing. Okay, let's try with this. We will not count. We will for patients in self patients do only use the patients that are in the hospital. La 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 is in hospital, then patient vomit. Vomit. Patient vomit. What is this after? Okay. I'll deal with you later after complete. So simple logic should be something like that. Then we need a call to vomit X. But we got a problem. No. Local self-heating, heating broke. Just I don't know, do I need to use this active false whether vomit wave is active. Okay. Now function hospital x vomit vomit wave and if self vomit wave active, then return end. Vomit wave active. Next we need again count liter. Should I local liter count do like that if they want? I don't like this magic number. And it's also magic numbers everywhere. I don't like this. Liter count limit. This should be global and configurable, preferably. This should be separated then. Is enough liter. Oh. Eve. Um, mm, 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 mm. Ah. How can I? So if it's not enough, we will clean and clean. If enough, we will vomit again and clean once. Decrement, sorry. If. So we got -1, vomit -1. If it's not enough. If so self vomit wave count. Lua doesn't have a decrement. Lua decrement. Shorthand. There isn't in Lua, so you have to. Lua is no build. Decrement. So okay. Ooh. If is enough. Else if no, else, just else. Oh my god, what have you done? Don't do this. It will change all the comments. This formatter. Trigger vomit wave. Self. If not, we will count -1 and second one. Like that, we counting only once. No. Why there is a representation? X vomit wave. My god, shush. And where is this on and the self X vomit wave. I don't know what to say about this. Oh my god, they are doing like that. Do I need to also do it? Local vomit wave. Vomit wave active. Vomit wave. Count. And then I need to get it back. Oh my. Hit wars. Hit wars. Huh? They're decrementing. But where they save it back to this? How the hell this works? Am I missing something about Lua? Is this create some kind of bond that all of this saved here? Or am I blind again? They're saving everything in the local, but I don't see where this local is saved back to the self-heating. Huh? That is the same. They're setting count to the math random, but never saved back. Huh? Define global self. What the? Count liter, where are you? Don't- Mm. In the hospital. Ah, I'm stupid. I forgot. Hospital. Yep. Mm. Oh my god, I need to finish it in half an hour. Mm. Now, we kinda did some of it. Where is how to compile? So how I did it last time? I need to start CMake again somehow. I think I opened this in the VS Code last time. It was able to build CMake for me. Build. Building the programs. Compiling. So I opened CMake. Okay, no. You'll see local machine drop down. Yeah, WinDev. Okay. Ads again. Cannot find SDL. How I fixed it last time? SDL mixer. There was a problem with what's called it's packet manager. Due to unknown issue, debug currently does not work. Use release or rel with debug. Okay. That was the problem. Or can I build it right here? Skipped. Exit with code 1. Error. Custom build. Failed. Close you. Administration Studio. CMake list. And where is anything? Select startup item. Why it can't find? There must be different thing. CMake. Mm. Warning, warning. I can't find again this freaking lib. Mm, 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 mm. Build inside. Build all. Allah has not been determined for one of my project. How I did it last time. Can't forgot. And just if I will try and do it with a CLI without using IDE. Let's okay. CMake. Set WinDev. Mm, 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 mm. Not find toolchain file. Let's again. Script build system VC package make. And know how, yeah. And can manage prerequisites as necessary. Mm. Make installing packages available in your project. This first time configure the project runs internal to locate available toolchain. This search happens with the project function. Just I prefer to use freaking CLI than Visual Studio. Project Cortex top level. Tool chain. To customize selection process, support using CMake language. Specified by setting. CMake toolchain file variable, which we don't have. Path to required build tools and other build parameters such as a cross compilation of flags. VC package root. Oh my god. VC package scripts. Build system, VC package main. Okay. Settings. Advanced system settings. Environment variables. So it's a CMake toolchain file. I need to put you to here basically on the VC package folder. Oh my god, system package toolchain. Okay. Now if I will try and open new one. Could not find toolchain. Are you serious? PowerShell refresh and refresh env. That does not work when run from this process if you are using PowerShell import module. Huh? Why? Why do you want chocolate from me? Is this way you should call? Fun. It's not available here. Just I don't. CMake toolchain file. Bum. Get. CMake toolchain file. It's set. For some reason doesn't go there. Even with this variable. You can still use chain file. You own tool set. Triplet variable. Oh, maybe they use. No. Why it doesn't see my toolchain? There it is. Dev win cache variables environment VCP package root. And for some reason I don't have it. Puff. VCP package root. So let's set this and maybe it will work. Come on. No, not here. What the hell? Nope. Corsic, where are you? Oh my god, you're here. We cooking? Finally. We need this thing to be set. This is written by this apparently. And now we are cooking something. But will it work? I don't know. And I have like 15 minutes. Build file have been written to. Okay. Build dev. And now we can see make build config real web dev. Just after each change, as far as I understand the system, to Lua, I need to rebuild this. I may be wrong, but maybe I don't need to rebuild everything, but just like main game. Lua. Install Lua Rocks, Lua modules. Who knows? VIP movies, VIP. Corsic top level. Enable unit test. Enable sanitizer. Check include files. Search local dir. Dependency. Target message. Build. It's subdirectory. Corsic th. Don't remember how it works. Add a subdirectory to the build. Yeah. It adds all of this. It's actual name of a directory. And let's find oxygen. Should be working. Scam warning. Oh my god. That's interesting way to hide your advertisement as a warning. Okay, next. No. Come on. One of. And it built where? Checking build system. Building running project. So build dev. Corsic. Interesting. Okay. Just banned the person and now he followed my channel. How? Continue. You have no save games. Oh, and there is no time. Oh, there is a timer. Sorry. It's so far away. Oh, he is here. Must employ receptionist. But why? I don't see any functions related to him. Now, actually, quit. So, 241. Did I change this? Lua up. 241. Yeah, so this should be in the game. But how to check it? I don't know right now. I can, of course, add some logging just for giggles. Just I thought before that the game written on Lua and running Lua, but apparently no. It's compiled through the C++ into the something and then run. So I actually don't know how to debug this. I can just for test add this to 4 all the time. Because now we can basically rebuild it really quick. But can I rebuild just part? Where is this? CMake. Options. Build Core 6. Can I find it? So compiling basic, compiling. No. It will still build, but it should, I think, cache everything else. Yeah, everything should be cached. Yeah, and this will be faster. Let's rebuild and check this. Yes, campaign start. Now, if we will try real quick, open. We need at least GPU office. Tish. Now, okay, you need a doctor. You need a doctor. Now 5. Let's see him. He is coming. I suppose there is somewhere debug menu, which I need to find. So I should be able to debug it properly. Why are you not vomiting? Exhausted all. Get patient wait. Me. Psychiatrist, come here. My god, this menu is movable. My god. And it's not fixable, so I can't tell it to not. So he is not vomiting, so something is wrong, apparently. Handyman here. There's error with a save. People, where are you? Oh my god, you serious? Why are you so unhappy? Are you cold? One. I have no sound. I don't know. Yes. Okay. That doesn't work. Build a toilet. Let's play around with simple logs for now. Lua. How do I log something? Lua. And display develop log equivalent to Lua. Console. Create game log file. Okay. Need. So I got a console here. How can I write into this? Game log self. As date, right? Game logger. Game log path. Write to file or file write close success stream. Add window. Self world game log. Oh my god, it's in the world. Print. We can use simple print. Receive a number of arguments and print the value to test it out. Okay. So can I go here? Dave disasters is wrong. That's the problem. We will just call you 0 every time. Come on. Last try. And I have to run. Oh my god. Oh no. So there is a log. Paint start, okay. Reception is go, and let's open. Op. Come on. Okay. The doctor. Need a psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. Fish. No. Then we need her. Treatment. Pharmacy. This. Radiators. Okay. Let it be here. So now run, guys. Staff room. So what our log says? Starting game will not check. Ah, I didn't add any logs. My god, I'm stupid. She doesn't vomit. Ah, no, there it is. If you look at that, she vomited. So maybe it is working after all. Just the problem, there's a check if person vomited already. And so right now they will vomit only once. And apparently virus, but it should. Okay. We'll call it a success enough. I will check how it's supposed to debug this game properly. Oh, he vomited. Error. Almost anything can be the cause, but the detailed information below can help. Running the time handler stack trace is included below. Is enough later. Use of undeclared variable. Undeclared variable? That must be a function, not variable. Ah, I forgot to add self. But at least we got here. Okay, so crush is also a kind of debug because we can see that it was calling this 726. 7. This also is wrong self. And struct Lua. Yeah. On end day, vomit, and we failed here. So, okay, now let me close this. Close. For some reason it doesn't want to work anymore. Then on end day, I will return this back for now because I wanna commit it. So it should be fine. Here div. So we changed version. We get this. This, okay. So all date I didn't. This I changed. This I removed. Got this and this. Seems fine. Git status, git commit. Vomit. Adding vomit wave. Okay. Did I push it or no? No, I think I will not push it right now. I will then squish it into one. Oh, I should have made a branch. I'm stupid. Okay, I will deal with it later. I have to run. Okay, thank you everyone who joined us. I will see you all on the next stream. It's supposed to be tomorrow, so stay tuned. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your evening. Bye bye.